Oh, so today we are taking a look at a pair of sport sunglasses, but not just any sport glasses. Oh no, no. These ones have Bluetooth audio in them. So for those of you that possibly are whatever you're outside doing yard work, you're cleaning up the yard, you're going out for a walk, you're doing a bike ride, whatever it is, and you want some music. Maybe you just don't want to have sunglasses and earbuds. You want all in one. Maybe that's the thing. Anyway, these are the Langsdom Smart Sport Audio Sunglasses. Oh, yes. So as you can see here, open ear design. So just realize again, this is really going to be primarily for those that, want to be able to hear their surroundings, right? We want to be able to hear what's going on around them so that you don't get hit by a car, right? Or someone's talking to you. Then you know they're talking to you, right? Adjustable nose pads. They can prevent wind and sand, about 10 hours lasting time, extended link. So you can connect into two things. I believe this is running Bluetooth 5.3, clear calls, so you can use it for phone calls as well, which is kind of cool. IP55 dust and water resilient. I'm just looking at some specs. About 36 grams in weight. You can use your if for music calls, voice assistance, which is cool if you want to be able to do that, right? 10 hours of playtime. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. Anyways, this is the box that they came in. I believe these come in around the $99 mark. So if you're interested, again, there will be links down below. And I want to thank Langsdon for sending these over because, again, kind of cool, right? They do come in a cool little box. Very nice. Inside here, that's it. That's all. That's everything. I'm actually going to take these with me this weekend as I'm heading out for a little trek. So I thought, why not give them a try? I like the case, nice little hard case that you guys can see it, right? It has the little Langsdom on it. Alrighty. Now, this normally isn't my style necessarily of sunglasses, but you know what? I'll give them a go. So inside the box, you are going to get, this is the, you'll see these in some sunglasses now or glasses. This allows you to put prescription in these. So if you have prescription glasses, you can go put them in this, take them to your eye place, your glasses place, get them to fill the prescription, and then you can wear your glasses with your prescription because their lenses themselves are what they are, so they can't be changed. It looks like this is a little cleaning cloth. This is adjustable. I'm guessing these are the adjustable maybe nose pieces, possibly. I'm not 100% sure. You get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And of course, you get the glasses themselves. I'm just going to throw those off to the side. You do get a user manual. So there you go, right? Put them on your face. Yes, put them on your face. Is there English on this? Still, put them on your face. Adjustable nasal pad. Use your hand to gently. I'm with you. Detachable prescription frame. Oh, so those little silicone things, it looks like they're possibly used maybe to, I don't know if they're used to put them in. I don't really know. Some other things, music mode, call mode, voice mode. So how many times do you have to hit the button? Let's try them on here first and foremost, right? Langsdom. Nice little soft case if you don't want to carry the big hard case around. Real question is, like, are they big, bulky? Well, they're going to have some size to them for sure. But, we're looking at them from the front. The arm piece is not too bad. This is going to be your USB port there. It's only got that one single button. There's your adjustable nose piece. You can bend it if you want to. Okay, I'm down. Tinted. Just black. Plain old black. So I'm taking my glasses off, so just realize I can't see. Can't see it all right now. Do I look sporty? I think I do. Now my phone was just charging, so I have to hopefully it has enough power in it. One sec. Oh, I'm rocking like I don't even know what that is. 15%. So I'm guessing that's gonna be playing. Anyways, we're gonna go into our lovely Bluetooth mode. So Bluetooth. I'll check at the bottom here because again we're gonna have to turn these on. And easy access button. It's the only button that feels like it sticks out. Does it go into pairing right away? Sports watch, controller. I don't know what this CBA percentage, smart TV. I got too much stuff in the house that needs to connect. Hold on. Let's try holding it longer maybe. And they are polarized. You can tell because I can see when I'm looking at my my phone, they've got that polarized look to them. So let me just see what it says. Wearing, detachable, button operations, pairing. I may have to put my other glasses on because, again, I can't see. Long press the button for about 2 seconds to turn on, and the red and blue lights on the indicator flash. You should see something called Langsdom's AirNovas. So they are called the AirNovas. Okay, so only has one button. Oh, they are blue and red flashing. Oh, there they are. Just took a second. Langsdom AirNovas. All right. So you'll see the blue and red flash right there. But there is no like voice, nothing that kind of pops up and says, "Hey, you know, you're off to the races." Which means I'm putting glasses over top of glasses. Don't do that. Don't do that. Anyways, okay, so I should be connected right now. Yes. Langsdon AirNova is connected. Okay. So really we're just going to do a test for what it sounds like. So let's just play a song. So again, one of the things just to realize, you're not getting these for sound quality, like, oh, I need a big bass, I need to whatever. They're really more of a convenience, right? Because of that open ear design. So if I came here and just rewound this song. So like I have them up at full, full volume. There's not a lot of control on them themselves, right? So you really seem like you need to do everything from your phone, so volume and everything like that. But again, it's that open ear design. So the speakers, I'm guessing, I'm trying to figure, are probably right there. There's two little speakers right in that section right there. So that they're kind of just blasting down into your ears. It gives you something. It gives you something, right? And you don't have to carry anything else around. So if you just needed some music, not going to compete with like dedicated earbuds and things like that. Right? So earbuds. Okay, so it's something. It's decent. I'm not going to say it's again going to be earth shattering, but you want sunglasses and you want earbuds, then you're off to the races. Anyways, we can also go in here and we'll have our settings. So let's just see, because it says that this can be used, for a phone. So you will see I have Langsdon AirNovas. Okay. Oops. All right. We'll go back to our camera. Just kind of put it here. Man, I look crazy in these sunglasses. Hey, crazy. So if we hit record, now you are hearing what the microphone in this is like. So it should give you an idea for, just if you're walking around doing whatever. If you take a phone call, right, and you want to know what you sound like, this should give you an idea. Or maybe you want to wear these and use these as a Bluetooth microphone to do some vlogging. Maybe that's your jam. Anyways, this is the audio quality that you're hearing right now in my little room. So I'll just stop that. And then I guess the next thing is I'm going to take them out for the next couple of days and wear them. Tint wise, they're pretty good. They're a nice, a decent sized tint for sure. I like that they have the UV 400, which is also really good to help protect your eyes. And what I'm going to do is again wear them for the next 2 days, and then we'll come back and we'll finish up the video and let you know what I thought. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back from my little trip, and I have to say, not too bad. Um, a few things that I have to say first off that are just glasses related in regards to these is that the actual lenses themselves are quite clear. So when you're outside and you're just using these as glasses, actually not much distortion at all. It's actually quite clear. So, when you start to see smart glasses, especially smart glasses, I find that coming around $100 mark or less, sometimes I always feel that they have to suffer somewhere. And if they're going to be putting in all these, some of them put in lots of smart features, then I'm always like, where are they cutting, right? What features are being cut? And so I always look at the actual lens quality, and the lens is actually really nice on them. I wore these for 2 days, pretty much solid in all kinds of scenarios. And then when I got back, I actually used them some more. So a few things that I kind of want to talk about in regards to these, if you're looking at getting a pair, comfort wise, using them as sunglasses, excellent. If you like this style of sunglass, then I think you're gonna be happy with these. In regards to speaker quality out of them, I'd say they're fine for what they are. Again, they're not going to compete with actual earbuds, but whenever you're looking at, it's almost like an air induction, right? It's just two speakers that kind of sit above your ears, so you're hearing a short distance. So are they super loud? No. Are they loud enough? I think for most people, yes. But if you are looking for something that is going to be really loud, then you may want to look at actual earbuds. I put them in a few scenarios. Now, number one is I did go out walking with them, like for a full day. Battery wise, they lasted the full day, so that was good. It actually lasted full day and probably I would say even more because I still haven't had to charge them yet. And it was at least 6, 7 hours. When I was out walking, the bonus of them is that I could, of course, hear things around me, which was important because we were walking through Old Quebec. So I don't want to be walking into anybody. I also want it to be not so loud that I couldn't hear Monique if she was talking to me. So that was really good. I really like that feature for sure. The other thing too, which maybe not a lot of people can think of, is I was wearing these while driving, and Monique would be either playing her game. Sometimes maybe she was just trying to have a little bit of a rest, etc., etc. And we both don't have the same taste in music. So I would actually Bluetooth my phone to these, and I was able to just listen to music. Now, if I had them at full, she told me that she could hear them a little bit. So a little bit of noise, like sound bleed coming out of them, but not, she said, not too much, not enough that it would really, distract her or anything like that. But if I turned them down just a little bit, she goes, I didn't hear them. And honestly, they were fine. Again, I was very aware of the surroundings, which was good. So I think that's a big win. When I got home, I took them out for a short, well, two things. I took them out for a short bike ride just to see how they were. And same kind of thing, volume wise, they were good. I think the glasses are actually really good. Um, they are nice and tight on my face. Again, depending on the size of your head, that's gonna play into effect how tight they are. But yeah, I was easily able to hear the surroundings around, which is really the main purpose of these, right? To have your music, to be able to take your phone calls, et cetera, et cetera. I also took them out for a ride. We have a slingshot, so it's a open three-wheel. Um, at that point in time, driving around town, I could hear the music. Once I got up to a good highway speed, no. But honestly, even the internal speakers, like the actual slingshot speakers at highway speed, it's just muffled and I can barely hear them. So I didn't expect them to have a loud enough speakers to be able to hear that. But just driving around, they were hearable. Probably not my recommendation in regards to that. Last thing, which I don't think anybody really thinks about, is because these Bluetooth to your phone and can act as a microphone as well. My thought was, I wonder if they would be able to Bluetooth to a camera. So I actually have an Insta360 Go Ultra, and this was the camera that I shot our little trip to Quebec City on. And I was able to Bluetooth these to the camera and actually use the microphone in here with that camera. So I've actually got the Go Ultra connected to these sunglasses because the sunglasses have speakers and the microphone. So what you're hearing now is from my glasses. So that could be actually pretty cool. So if you got this further and you're wearing sunglasses, you don't even have to look like you're in a microphone. How cool is that? It looks like it's getting decent audio, which is cool. And there's the ferry right there. I don't know if we're boarding yet, but still very cool. Still very cool. Anyways, I have the sunglasses connected again to use as a microphone. So I still think that's pretty cool. And I've been using it on and off throughout the day whenever I thought it would just be kind of good if the camera was further away. Very interested to see how they sound. And the glasses have worked fantastically. And Lily has to pee. Poor little Lily. She's probably been holding that for a while. Now, is it going to be, again, as good as, let's say, a dedicated microphone? Probably not. But if you are going to place your camera a little bit away from you, then at least the microphone here is close. So in a scenario where it was windy, it did get a fair bit of wind noise. But in like good scenarios where there wasn't much or any wind, the actual microphone picked up quite well. So that's a nice little added feature that I don't think a lot of people think about. Maybe you just want to use these as an audio recording device, right? As the microphone. Being able to connect them to a camera that has the ability to connect to a Bluetooth mic, not bad, right? And walking around with just sunglasses on, nobody really recognizes or notices because, you don't have a big microphone sitting on your shirt. Anyways, I think for the price point, there is going to be definitely a demographic that really likes these. So if you are a cyclist, if you are a runner, you really want to be able to hear the surroundings. You're not someone that requires the utmost sound quality, right, and volume. Then these are going to be a really good option. I could see myself actually using these for a lot of the scenarios, like I said, even going on a car ride where the passenger is just, you know, sleeping and you want to keep it quiet but still be able to hear music.
Okay, so I just wanted to, again, microphone connected to the glasses, so you're hearing that. So number one, cool feature. Number two is that we're driving, it's early morning, and left at like, between 6 and 7. Monique, sometimes she's playing her game, she's maybe having a nap, Lily's having a nap. So I want to hear some music. So I don't want to disturb them, or maybe they just don't want to listen to the music that is my style of music. You know. Anyways, coming through my glasses, she's like, "No, I can't hear them." Now, when they were at full, she could hear them just a little bit, just enough that she's like, "There's something." But when you're actually driving with them down just a tad, she couldn't hear them. So big perk, big perk. That's the little extra feature.
Anyways, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested in these. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.